Kasi we were talking about demand a while ago and the summer months coming in and of course prices of oil and natural gas going up. How big a concern is demand right now, or is demand going to be when summer peaks, if it has not yet peaked? How big a problem would that be, and how big a concern should we look at the possibility of rotating brownouts?
Sa ngayon, based dun sa pinapadala namin na demand and supply, we still have enough reserves naman. So, ang nagiging problema lang yung mga unscheduled na outages.
Outages, okay.
Kasi kung merong biglang mangyaring outage na unscheduled, biglang malaki, lalo kung ito ay base load plant, yun ang mga binabantayan din na kung mangyari ay talagang baka aabot tayo ng yellow or red alerts.
So barring that, demand is not yet seen to be a problem as much as price.
Yes, sir. Tama.
When you say that we have enough reserves, how many days of reserves do we normally have?
Every day kasi we receive the report kung ano yung available capacity, kung ano yung projected na peaking, and yung available na reserves for that day. So, as of now, normal pa rin naman yung ating supply, and we have enough reserves.
But sir, baka all it will take will be one power plant going offline and then we go into brownouts?
Crippling brownouts.
Is that what you're looking at? Kung ganun kanipis po yung reserves?
Sa ngayon po, we still have enough for Luzon. For Visayas, medyo mas mababa kumpara dun sa available na sa Luzon. Pero sa Mindanao, mayroon pang enough. And because of the interconnection naman of Mindanao to Visayas and then Luzon to Visayas, nagkakaroon naman ng transfers o yung exports from, say, from Mindanao to Visayas. Kaya na-augment pa rin yung supply in the Visayas.